Hello YouTube, this is RC Freak 69 back with you, and I got a new bike. It's a Haro, as it says right there, and I guess that sticker is already starting to wear off, but whatever. Yeah, I just got it today, and it's a lot better than my old bike. This is my friend's bike, RC Rock Crawler Freak 1, and we just put a set of ODI grips on it, and my other bike, the rear bearing seized up and it doesn't move now. I might sell this to my friend, I don't know. What I thought was pretty gay when I first got the bike was there's a freaking chain protector on it. So we took that off right away. There's RC Rock Crawler Freak 1. What a douche. Yeah, and that's both of our bikes. And I guess that'll be it for this video. We might put up a video of Game Bike, but it's gonna be really bad because we're not very good yet. I can only do like a 180 and like other stuff that's less easy than a 180. So yeah. Anything you wanna say? Alright. So yeah, this will be the end of a video, and comment, rate, and subscribe to RC Freak 69 LOL's channel and Rock Crawler Freak 1 channel. So yeah, that's it for now.